Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your financial literacy with Chase Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your financial literacy with Chase Bank, start by visiting their official website. Familiarize yourself with the resources available in the financial education section. Sign up for a Chase checking or savings account if you haven't already. Once you have an account, explore the online banking dashboard. Look for features like budgeting tools and expense trackers. Check out the financial education page for articles and videos about personal finance. Take advantage of the interactive tools to help you understand budgeting and saving. Consider enrolling in a financial education workshop offered by Chase. Attend a workshop to gain insights on topics such as credit management and investment basics. Use the knowledge from these resources to create a personal finance plan. Start by setting short-term and long-term financial goals. Utilize Chase's mobile app to monitor your spending and track your progress. Join Chase's community forums for discussions and advice from other users. Stay informed about the latest financial news through Chase's blog. Review your financial goals regularly and adjust them as needed. Build confidence in your financial decisions by applying what you learn. Make informed choices by researching financial products through Chase. Leverage their customer service for any questions you may have. Over time, continue to expand your knowledge through ongoing education. Celebrate your progress and keep challenging yourself to learn more about personal finance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.